Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. The Tantra that is equal to the sky is like the way that sunlight blazes. Without gathering anything, we abide in spontaneous realization. Our compassion is pervasive like the end of the sky. Self-originating, spontaneous realization is our true dominion. Blessings that we do not strive for arise by their own natural force. Whatever we may think about the heart essence of self-originating awareness, it will appear that way. The origin of all things is a light that is like the sky. All of our awareness is primordial Buddhahood. The meaning is that self-awareness is a transmission of the mind. This self-awareness cuts through there being anything that might equal it. This is definitely not to be taught to others. This is beyond any visualization. It is the dominion of direct perception. Through this dominion, we engage in the meaning of our awareness. According to the meaning that is sure, we will be gathered without delay within the self-originating dominion of our secret. Non-contrivance is the secret that reaches the end. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta, this is Chapter 14, Teaching the Measure of the Great Pervader. Teaching the difference in there being or not being any reward. Now there is even more to be explained. Whether there exists any reward or not must be explained. In the great wisdom of spontaneous realization, there are no stages to the rewards that we look for. Our cause is itself the ultimate reward. We are primordially pure, without seeking to be. This is not a reward, but for those who maintain positions and sides, it is a reward that is spontaneously realized. Our self-awareness has been spontaneously realized from the primordial. It is empty of any essence that we might hunt for. This is not a reward that we realize through propitiation. Like the light of the sun, we are naturally realized.